Hello everyone, today we will make this very cute crochet pinwheel earring design. For making this I am using cotton threads, white beads and earring hook, scissor, glue and I am using 11 number crochet hook. Let's start with magic ring. One chain, one single crochet, second single crochet, third single crochet. So I will make total 10 single crochet in this ring and complete my work. I have completed 10 single crochet. Now I will pull the magic rings thread and make it tight. Now connect to the first single crochet by slip stitch. Now one chain in next stitch, one single crochet in same stitch, one more single crochet. So two single crochet in next stitch, one and two single crochet. So I will make 2 single crochet in each stitch and complete my work. I have completed 20 single crochet all around. Now I will connect to the first stitch by slip stitch. Now one chain in same stitch, one single crochet in next stitch, one single crochet in next stitch, one single crochet in next stitch, one single crochet. So 4 single crochet here, one chain. Now I will turn my work, one single crochet in first stitch, in next stitch, one single crochet in next stitch, one single crochet in last stitch, 2 single crochet. So I made one single crochet in each stitch, but in last I made 2. One chain, again turn my work, in first stitch, one single crochet, next stitch, one single crochet, next one single crochet, next stitch, one single crochet, in last stitch 2 single crochet. Again I will turn my work, in first stitch, one single crochet, next stitch, one single crochet, in next stitch, one single crochet, next stitch, one single crochet, next stitch, one single crochet, and in last stitch 2 single crochet. One chain. Now I will turn my work, one single crochet, second single crochet, third single crochet, fourth single crochet, fifth single crochet, sixth, in last seventh, and one more 8. So we get 8. One chain, again turn my work, one single crochet, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and ninth. One single crochet, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, 8, 9, and 10. So I made 2 single crochet at the end of each row. Again one chain and turn my work, one single crochet, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9, and last 10 and 11. Now take a long thread and cut. So we get this type of design here. Now I will add another color in next stitch here. Connect in same stitch, one single crochet. In next stitch, one single crochet, 2. Now in next stitch it will be third single crochet, and in next stitch it will, this is fourth. One chain, turn my work, in first stitch one single crochet, in next stitch second single crochet, in next stitch third single crochet, in last stitch fourth single crochet, and in same stitch fifth single crochet. So in first line we had 4, now 5, one chain, turn my work, in first stitch one single crochet, in next stitch second single crochet, in next stitch third, in next stitch fourth, in next stitch fifth, and in same stitch one more, 6. So in every line we will increase one single crochet at the last stitch and complete my work till we have the 11 single crochet at the end, like this first one. And same I will continue by adding more colors and follow same pattern and get this type of design in every color and complete my work. I have completed my work by adding more colors. Now here it is. Now every second stitch I will pass the hook from the back side and take the thread of previous color and pull it down. Like this. Again in next every second stitch take the thread of previous color and pull it down and turn like this. Now again I will take the thread of previous color and pull it down like this. Now take the thread now here it is. Now I will tie all the threads together and make a knot. Now I will cut this extra thread and fix this thread with the help of glue. Now we will make a magic ring. Chain 1, 2, 3, 1 double crochet in this ring, second double crochet. So I will make total 12 double crochet in this ring and complete my work. I have completed 12 double crochet. Now I will connect to the third chain by slip stitch and cut the thread. Here it is. Now I will cover these extra threads by this ring. So I will stick it here over the extra threads like this. Now in center I will add white beads and let it dry. Now I will add earring hook. Our earring is ready. Here are our both earrings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.